Hey there, this is Jed Albring, and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels tutorials. So, one of the best places to get ClickFunnels tutorials is a website called Funnel Fridays. Now, a lot of people don't know about this. Even a lot of people that are using ClickFunnels on a regular basis really don't use this as much, or at least as much as I know about. I like to go to this website a lot for the main purpose of ClickFunnels tutorials. And the reason being is there's not really a tutorial per se. There are plenty of trainings out there available. There's lots of free trainings. I'll put some links below. And there's also, if you just go to, ClickFunnels blog, there'll be some kind of help tutorials, that sort of thing. But really, those are for people already existing using ClickFunnels that are learning how to maybe add a button or hook up their email. But to really see how ClickFunnels works and to actually see a ClickFunnels tutorial in action, the website is called Funnel Fridays. This is a totally free website. I'll put the link below. And this is a site that Russell Brunson, co-founder of ClickFunnels, and Jim Edwards, who's one of the main copywriters and head copywriter, also the co-creator of Funnel Scripts. Russell and Jim get together every Friday, or at least almost every Friday, and what they do is they build a funnel live, and they show you how to put the funnel together, and then they also write the copy for it. So this is hands down one of the greatest ClickFunnels tutorials you can get out there. And when you come here, you'll be able to see all these different free tutorials, right? Realtor leads, bridge pages, lose weight funnel, drone funnel, copywriting funnel. It goes on and on. How to write your hook, story, and offer, beauty products funnel. So you can see there's everything here from coaching, e-commerce, brick and mortar, you name it. You'll find it here. This Bridge Funnel 1, episode 48, this is actually affiliate marketing. This is a great funnel if you're an affiliate marketer. And what they do is people write in, they send in their funnels, and then Russell and Jim choose a funnel that they want to remake and redo, and they'll actually redo the funnel there live for you. And then at the end, you see this button here that says grab this funnel. You can download that exact funnel for free, and it'll load to your ClickFunnels site. If you don't have a ClickFunnels site, don't worry. It'll load it and prompt you to start a free 14-day trial. So you get an in-depth tutorial from the creator of ClickFunnels himself, Russell Brunson, who's actually going to build a funnel live for you. And then when he's done, you can grab that funnel and start using it right away. So this is the best place to go, guys, for ClickFunnels tutorials. It's called Funnel Fridays. I will put the link below. You can check it out, and you can start watching these episodes and downloading these free funnels today. Thank you.